Let's take a closer look at class-based views. That's what this course section will be about. Because in the last course section, we already got started with class-based views, inheriting from this base view class which Django gives us to build this class-based view with get and post methods. Now in this course section, we're going to dig a bit deeper and explore other variants of pre-built views which we can inherit from. We're going to take a look at template views and what those do for us. We're going to take a look at lists and detail views and see what Django has in store when it comes to that and when we would use those views and of course how we use them. And we're going to have a look at views dedicated to fetching user data, like the form view, but then also the create, update, and delete views. And we're going to see what those views do for us and how we use them.